What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a Gator bed cover on my 2020 F-350. Super inexpensive bed cover, so a great deal for you guys. You're going to need today a 1/2-inch socket, a 9/16 socket, a level, and a clamp. So let's go ahead and dive right into this easy installation. Should be done in about 25 minutes. Let's go. Alright, so we've got this one already put in. What you're going to do is you're going to want to just push it up against the bed rail, and you're going to want to make sure it's level. You're going to know that this is the front because you're going to have this rounded oval here, and then you're going to have a square. And then on the back side, you're going to have the latch mechanism right here. I've gone ahead and I've already put the clamp right here to hold it in place. And then we're going to go ahead and install these clamps. You've got 3 clamps right here. We're going to put 1, 2, and 3. We've got these so that they don't spin on the back side of them. You're going to put these inside the clamps, and then let's go ahead and do that, and we'll be right back. One important thing to remember that while you're doing this is that you have the tailgate closed, so that way you're making sure that it's sucked up all the way, so that you're not going to go back and have to readjust it. Now that we got those in, let's get our tensioners installed. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and get these installed. You have your numbers up here. We're going to start, this says 4, 1. The numbers are in order here. On the bottom we have 3 in the back and 2 in the front. We're going to put number 4 facing the front of the vehicle. So this one is going to go on the passenger side facing the front. So this will be the front of the vehicle, back of the vehicle. Then you're going to take and you're going to install your pins on the bottom of them here so that they don't move out. You're going to take the provided spacer and nut here, and you're going to install the bed cover. So we're going to hurry and throw the tensioners in, and then we're going to put the bed cover on and tighten it down. Alrighty, so as I mentioned here, we're going to pop this in just like so. We're going to take the pins, and we're going to pop it through the bottom there. Just like that. Just like that. Now we're going to take the bed cover and we're going to put it in. There's going to be 2 sliding bolts on it that I'll show you, and then we're going to snap those into place, and then we're going to tighten those down. You'll need the 9/16 socket for this one, so let's go ahead and get that done. Alrighty, so these are the sliding bolts that I'm talking about. This little flap right here is going to be your waterproof seal that goes up against the bed up here on front of your truck. So let's go ahead, get these slid all the way out to the edges, and let's line this up. To make sure that your seal didn't get kinked anywhere on here, we are good to go. The bolts are down right there in the bases. So let's go ahead, and we're going to use these provide spacers and nuts, and then we're going to tighten those down. Alrighty, so now that we got those in, we're gonna go ahead and check the fitment. So let's roll it back and see how it fits. Just like that, it fits in really, really well, okay? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take and we're going to seal up these edges. Now, if it doesn't fit all that well, something that you're gonna have to do is you're gonna take and you're gonna have to adjust those tensioners. They can be flipped over, flipped upside down, turned around. But the way that this sits right now, as soon as we get this tightened up, I think we are gonna be A-okay. That right there is a super simple, easy installation.